Aloha, I'm Jason Patrick, or JP. My favorite cultural or traditional food is actually Polynesian Noni fruit, also known as Morinda citrifolia. For simple juicing of Hawaiian Noni, I first clean a jar and then squeeze the juices from 1 to 2 fresh harvested and washed noni fruit into the glass using the sterile cheesecloth or strainer. Um, I then add 2 to 3 grains of Hawaiian sea salt and then mix the noni solution thoroughly and either put it into the refrigerator or allow it to sit out at room temperature depending on preference for taste. In the fermented noni juice preparation, I use the same procedure as the previous slide mentioned, and then I allow for the noni juice to actually sit out at room temperature, um, preferably in a sunny room or area, or outside as long as it's contained within a seal-proof jar for 5 plus years. And what you're doing is you're allowing for metabolic reaction to take place where the microbial activity of the noni's facultative anaerobic endophytes convert the sugars from the noni fruit into acids, gases, and alcohol through the glycolysis and lactic acid or alcohol fermentation cycle. One of my favorite traditional uses of Hawaiian Noni or Polynesian Noni was for its medicinal benefit and its nutritional value, as it's high in concentration for macro and micronutrients. Traditional Polynesian practitioners, or Hawaiian practitioners, Kohuna La'au Lapa'au, will utilize the entire noni, Morinda citrifolia tree, from roots to bark to seeds to stem to fruit, to treat a wide range of ailments and infections in traditional Polynesia. Consumption of noni is very beneficial because of its biological pathway through the endogenous cannabinoid receptor 2, or the CB2 receptor, which regulates metabolism, psychological function, gastrointestinal function, appetite, immunological function, and peripheral neurological function. Noni juice should be consumed in moderation, and even starting from low diluted servings and eventually reaching minimum daily intake of 1 to 3 fluent ounces. Here's a chart with some nutritional values for Morinda citrifolia or Hawaiian Noni for a serving size of 30 milliliters, which is also equivalent to about 1 fluent ounce. Under my plate recommendation, Noni or Morinda citrifolia falls under the fruit, and specifically the subcategory 100% fruit juice. For the My Plate recommendation, they say that fruit and vegetables should make up 1/2 of each meal that we consume. For the South Pacific Commission's 3 food groups, Noni falls under the protective food group as it's fruit, and they require or say that it is necessary for nutritional value, that you consume about 1/3 of food consumed each day consists from this category of fruits and vegetables. It should be included on all meals and the snacks, and also they're utilized because they're high in vitamins and minerals. So the next time you choose to include a healthy fruit or 100% juice in your diet, I ask you, why not add some noni to your ola? Thanks. Mahalo nui, ahoy ho.